Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the items that I've found for this week. We release these videos every Friday, so if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the tools that we find each and every week. So these are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All these items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. They'll each have their own independent link. Then I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links will take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So let's go ahead and check out the first item. First up, we're looking at the Flex 24-volt brushless cordless oscillating multi-tool. And Flex, you know, last year, beginning of this year, whenever they started to leave Lowe's, they had some massive deals on a lot of their tools. So if you were able to pick up some of those deals, I'm sure you got some really good ones. Honestly, when they were leaving Lowe's, I didn't know what the plan was for them. But it does look like they're switching to just online sales, which is good to know because I know a lot of people that really enjoy the Flex lineup. I would definitely try them out. I almost did when I came across all those sales. I specifically run Dewalt 20-volt lineup and Milwaukee M12 lineup, and I try to stick within those two just because I don't like to have a bunch of batteries and chargers and different things for each one of my tools. Otherwise, I would probably have a lot of different brands. But I've heard a lot of really good things about the Flex lineup, and they still have some really good deals all across Amazon. But the oscillating multi-tool is one that I put off for a really long time. And I don't know, it was a couple years ago I came across a project, and so I ran and picked one up. And after that, it was ridiculous how many jobs I found a use for this tool for that made my life so much easier. And so I am really glad that I picked up one of these oscillating multi-tools. If you guys don't have one, I highly suggest picking one up. It can be a very versatile tool. This one is at $100, down from a typical price of $140. This is the bare tool only, no charger or battery or anything like that. But just a great tool to have around, whether you're a weekend warrior, DIYer, or professional. You can and will find a use for this. But if you guys have any experience with Flex, the brand, please let me know your guys' experiences down in the comments. This has 4.5 stars, 79 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Dewalt Stealth Sonic Shop Vac, wet and dry. This is the 5-gallon, 4-horsepower, ultra-quiet vacuum. It is pretty surprising what we can do nowadays with ultra-quiet generators, air compressors, vacuum. Like, it is pretty impressive how quiet we can get these tools to operate at. This one is going to include a bunch of accessories and filter bags, and this is at $136, down from a typical price of $170. So if you're needing a larger shop vac, this is a really solid option. I think that's a really good price, but please let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.5 stars, 96 ratings. Next up, another Dewalt product. This is their oscillating multi-tool bundle, which includes the battery and charger and a couple of different blades and a carrying bag. I believe this is the one that I have, and it works so well. I can't explain how happy I am with it. Now, this is down from a typical price of $134, which it will sell at typically. Sometimes you got to check those things out on Amazon. List price, typical price, two completely different things. At $127 basically, I still think it's a good deal, but every once in a while, holidays and random times throughout the year, you will see it drop as low as $100. So you could basically get this set for the same price as the Flex one, which is a phenomenal deal. I'm extremely happy with mine, but $27 more for this than the Flex for a battery, charger, and bag. I don't think that's a bad deal, but once again, it all depends on what your preferred brand is. If you don't have a preferred brand, I think both of these are a solid option, but there's a lot to select from nowadays. So I just wanted to mention this one because this is a tool that I put off for so long and then finally got, and it's just one of those that you're really happy you finally picked it up. This has 4.8 stars, 17,998 ratings. So rated very highly and rated a lot. Next up, we're looking at a cable crimper and cutter. This is a combo set. You can buy these tools individually. There's tons of brands that sell them. This is the exact same set that I have, but mine's from another brand that I don't remember. I've had it for years. Phenomenal to have around, especially if you run your own wiring, do all of that. running battery cable, whether you're doing winch, inverter, whatever you're installing, if you're using, larger cables besides, standard speaker wiring, these can make installing those lugs so much easier. I remember working with my first 1/0 cable, trying to install one of these with like a pair of pliers and a vise. It can be done, but having a tool like this can just make things so much easier. Even if this is a tool you use once a year, once every couple years, it's a lot better and more secure than using a makeshift way to try and crimp. And these have adjustable teeth, so you can rotate them, so they work with multiple different size lugs. As you can see here, they include a lot of different sizes, 10 all the way up to 1/0. There you can see the dies on the inside that you rotate. Just a really handy tool. This also includes the lugs themselves as well as heat shrink for them. So for $31, down from a typical price of $36, I think having one of these on hand is just extremely helpful and time saving for sure. But this is just some random brand. There's tons of brands on Amazon that sell very, very similar sets, or you can buy them individually if you're just looking for the tool, things like that. A hammer crimper is also another really solid option. This has 4.3 stars, 908 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Tekton product. This is the punch and chisel set, a 20-piece set. These are made in the USA. You can get multiple different sets from Tekton as well. This is at $69.69, down from a list price of $82. So some pretty dang good savings on here. I came across the gear wrench. I want to say it was around a 20-piece set as well, made in China or Taiwan, at like $160 or $170 on sale, which blew my mind because there are tons of USA-made punch and chisel sets out there. Even if that set was made in the USA, the price was just absolutely ridiculous on it, and there's no way I would pay that over picking up a USA made set from Tekton. I mean, you can look at Grace, who is it, Wild, makes a lot of the stuff for Tekton. You can find USA made sets at a better price than that gear wrench set that I found that was on sale. But this does typically sit at $82. It is down to $69 for a little bit now, so definitely a good buy there. I've had I don't know, 2 or 3 different sets from Tekton. I have their old China set that I kind of use as just an absolute beater set. And then for my good sets, I have this set, the walnut block, and then I have their larger ones as well. And this is the 180, not even as good. Okay, maybe it was on sale. I did say it was on sale. I think it was down to 169. Yeah, so typical price, it sold at $187, came down to $168, and went up back up to $180. And they do not disclose where it's made. I don't believe it's USA. I looked at all the images. None of them state USA, which I think is a ridiculous price for this set. 27-piece set, so you get 7 extra pieces. There is no way I would be spending that when for $70 I can get a USA made set. Sorry, I started to ramble. 4.1 stars, 25 ratings. Next up, another Tekton product on sale. Their prices have gone up over the last few years. I still think Tekton has a lot of really solid options. Some stuff I don't think is worth it anymore. Some stuff I do. And it's not as often that we're finding Tekton tools on sale on Amazon. For a while, I couldn't find anything. Now we're starting to see a couple things here and there. This is a new product from Tekton. Their 3/8 stubby folding ratchet. And what's really cool about this is their new free-floating flex head. They either had fixed head or semi-locking. They don't have a locking, and they never had a free-floating. I do like this addition, and I do hope that we see a locking flex head in the future, but I'm hoping they expand, because right now I believe it's just these stubbies that are free-floating flex head. I don't know about any of their standard size ratchets being free-floating, but we will see. This is available with the quick release or non-quick release. I'm a bigger fan of non-quick release, just a personal preference. 90 tooth, their ratchets, 90 tooth design, very low profile. The Tekton ratchets are very small in size, even their longer ratchets. I get that it's not for everybody, but I've enjoyed them. Tekton also has one of the best warranties around. Very fast shipment, very easy process, but Tekton is a very reliable, well-known brand. I started mentioning them way back before a lot of people even knew about them, and they've been one of my favorite brands. But unfortunately, the prices have increased over the years. I still find a lot of really good tools from them, but please let me know your guys' thoughts on this. At 4.8 stars, 91 ratings. $41, down from a typical price, or list price, my apologies, $45. Next up, we're looking at the Kizer Phoenix pocket knife. I have a lot of Kizer knives. I have approximately 50 knives, and I'm slowly releasing knife review videos. This is one that I've wanted to purchase. It's just, I don't know how I feel about it. We'll get into that in just a sec. This is the Kizer Phoenix. It is S35 VN blade steel, really solid blade option. Fat carbon and aluminum handle, really solid materials there, especially at this price point. So it's not very often that you're going to get S35 VN with fat carbon under $100. So when this was released, it sold at $180. Then it slowly dropped to $107, and now it is at $89. Now it has been there for a little bit, but I think it's the design shape. I'm not a big fan of the blade style, the shape of it. Not a big fan of the shape. But I still figured it was worth a mention just in case somebody else out there was a fan of this blade shape. I love the fat carbon, the color combo. Just not a big fan of this blade design. I want to pick it up, but I also don't. There's no way. I think that's why a lot of people just didn't care for this design, especially at $180. It is an absolute steal at $90 for the materials that the knife is made of. It's just, this probably has a more specific group of people that would enjoy this blade design. Just not my favorite design. Otherwise, I would definitely pick it up at this price. This has 4.5 stars, 18 ratings. But those of you that may not be into knives but like to carry a knife, maybe you want something more affordable, more of a everyday use and abuse knife that's going to hold up well, I have tons that I could suggest. This one's on a good sale. I picked up the Vosteed Porcupine probably about a year ago, and it's one of my favorites for an everyday carry. Very, very solid option. They have a lot of different options, as you can see down here above my head. A lot of different color options. So this has a normal price of $70. I believe all of them have the 14C28 and blade steel. Really solid option. More of a budget-friendly blade steel, but a really solid blade steel. Holds an edge fairly well, and it's easy to sharpen. It's just a really good blade steel for an everyday carry. Something that you can use and abuse and not feel bad for. Really comfortable in the hand, really solid operation. So this has a 3-inch blade. It's a drop point style blade. You do have jimping above the thumb hole. You do have a button lock, a wire pocket clip, and this is the like black stonewash blade finish with the black micarta. This is the one that I have. I just like that color combo. I have a lot of knives, so I didn't want one that was just the same typical colors as always. I had an Olight that went with this really well, same color combo, so I really enjoy this knife. Use it all the time. And this one has a coupon price that brings it down to $62. Really good price on it for that. That is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.